Welcome to Mama Joan house, where it gets hot. And when I said hot, I mean catch bonnet pepper hot. Alright? So today, guys, I'm gonna do a little video twerking in front of my husband. This is something that I never think of doing, but I am going to do it today. I'm gonna surprise him in doing this. I'm 61, but I know I still got it. So this is gonna be a surprise for both him and myself, because me I gonna do it. You see, I put on all a new wig, get all a new wig, spicing it up, make myself look very, very spicy for now. And you know it go already. Plus, me need no good, because me have arthritis in eye. Oh. So guys, me need you to forgive me 10,000 likes on this video, okay? Because me I gonna break it down for now with the arthritis knee. Okay guys, so this is the dress that I picked out that I'm gonna wear. I've wear this dress for a long time, so I don't even know if it's going to fit. And these are my boots that I'm going to twerk into. These are my twerking boots. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get dressed and show you how it looks. Okay guys, I'm gonna change now into my frock and my killer boots. Okay guys, look at my frock. Put on my frock and the killer boots. So guys, get ready for the twerk. Got the blindfold, I'm in my robe, and I'm gonna go call him now and have him sit down for his preview. Mama Joan preview. Alright, come honey, let's look with you. Just walk with me. Walk, 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 walk. Stop, turn around, wait a minute, sit your $2 ass down. Alright. Okay, now, okay. You are going to take your blindfold off, and I'm going to whip off something, show you. Take your blindfold off.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay. So now stop. Wait a minute. And we're going to twerk for you. Go and make you see. You sure?
Yes, dear.
Okay, first of all, these boots are made for twerking. What do you think me I going to do? Me I go twerk all over you.
What?
Doom, 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 doom.
Oh!
Well, on the chance, we are trying to do the twerking. Wait till go the twerking now, right? You sure? You sure? You sure? You sure? Lord, on the minute hot me, you know me have the arthritis.
Yeah, boy.
You know me have the arthritis in my knee, but we just have to do the dancing, twerking feel. You look good?
Yes, honey.
You sure?
Yes, honey.
As we say, at my age, we have to right. We have to good
You can't
feel.
do better than we are right, I know.
You seriously?
Happy birthday.
No.
Okay, perfect.
Whoa, twerking. Huh? Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, baby. As we said, these boots are made for twerking. What is it going to do? Right now, these boots, it's gonna twerk all over you.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Yes, honey, I like that.
You like what you say?
Yes, I like that.
You sure?
Yes, buddy.
Honey child, it's not good for the knee.
I know.
My knee hurt me.
I know. I feel like
Lord have mercy.
my birthday.
You feel like your birthday?
No.
Oh my God. Your birthday not till next year, honey.
Oh, next year.
But this not good for the knee.
No, I
When you arthritis in the knee, it not work. What do you think about the dress?
know. I love the dress, you know. Everything nice.
Everything nice?
Yes, darling.
You sure?
Oh, you mean my girl?
Oh God, honey.
Yes.
It's a lot of work.
I hear you. Okay, I hear you.
But we still have it. Would you say so?
I true, man.
Me still have it?
You better than enough for the little out, you know. Me I say I go and out the place, because You look like 15, you know.
We look like 15, Lord of mercy.
You make me feel like me 17.
What?
You mean you're twerking?
Yes! Twerking, not twerking. Twerking, twerking, them call it only twerking.
Old for that the word. That the word. Too old for me.
Too old for that?
Yes, I am too old for
Right, other child?
Whatever it is,
What?
enjoys it.
You enjoys it?
Yes, my dear.
Okay, baby. Because, honey, with the arthritis knee and the knee, I don't think I go to work again. No.
Twerking a woman thing.
Twerking, man, twerk too, you know.
Okay, I try it.
You want to try twerk?
You mean, honey?
Oh, you going to do it? Mercy,
No,
mercy.
twerk.
Not like that. You have to have your bum bum. Shake up your bum bum. You can't shake it up, you don't have none. That's not twerk. You got to give me the body like I mean I give you a while ago. Yes. Okay, alright, that's what your twerking can't work. Your twerking can't work, baby.
At least my knee
No.
not hurt.
Your knee not hurt you?
No, say about
Because you're that twerk standing up there.
I'm 17, so.
You that twerk standing up.
So what you do that do?
You have to bend the knee.
Oh no, me never did
You,
it.
you have to bend the knee.
Then we-
You can't twerk standing up.
Oh!
No, you can't.
Not gonna work for me.
Not gonna work for you.
No.
Alright then, baby. So me and your twerking days, where you say?
No, sir, God.
It's over.
If you lay down,
No.
you're standing up.
No, you have to bend the knee when you're twerking.
Yeah, me not ready for that one. I try it again, but no.
Okay.
I had already.
Myself too.
But
So,
that was good though. It made me feel like I have a birthday. I was born in September.
yes, but your birthday is not until next
Next
year.
year.
Yes. And you've got the dance to make you feel like a birthday.
When we feel like I get an early birthday present.
Okay. For that minute it was good.
Christmas and everything in one.
Good. Love that. Alright then. Me and Papa Harry, we've been together from we are teenager. And we do crazy thing to keep our life spicy and everything going. So, what you have to say about that, Papa Harry?
Well, they say, how we live, you know. We live our life like, say, we not grow and we not get old. So, everything nice and spicy. And that's why it's still. We are 60 and you know, we're the front teenage. And it's nice same way like we was teenagers same way. Like we not get old.
So guys, this is my channel and I want you guys to like it and what them to do with it.
Subscribing it.
Okay, and
Whatever you have to do, you do.